Hello everyone, what is up? I hope every one of you is doing good, or if you guys are not doing good, then don't worry, be happy. Everything will be alright very soon. अब जिंदगी में तो उतार चढ़ाव आते ही रहते हैं, लेकिन आप अगर सही सलामत अपने फैमिली के साथ हो तो आपसे ज्यादा लकी और कोई नहीं। ऐसे कितने लोग होंगे जो अपने माँ बाप भाई बहन से बिछड़ जाते हैं और सालों बाद अगर किस्मत अच्छी हो तो मिलते हैं, और अगर किस्मत फूटी हो तो नहीं मिल पाते। वैसे उससे मुझे याद है, आज मैं जिस फिल्म के बारे में बात करने वाला हूँ उसकी कहानी भी थोड़ी बहुत ऐसी ही है, जिसमें तीन भाई एक दूसरे से बिछड़ जाते हैं। ये एक ऐसी फिल्म है जिसके बारे में आई एम श्योर आप सबको पता ही होगा, और इसके गाने नो डाउट सबने सुने होंगे। सो कुड यू गेस द नेम? जी हाँ, मैं बात करने वाला हूँ बॉलीवुड की वन ऑफ द मोस्ट पॉपुलर एंड हिट फिल्म अमर अकबर एंथनी के बारे में। सो विदाउट वेस्टिंग एनी मोर टाइम, लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। Amar Akbar Anthony is a 1977 Indian action comedy film directed and produced by Manmohan Desai and written by Kabir Khan. This film stars Vinod Khanna, Amitabh Bachchan and Rishi Kapoor opposite Shabana Azmi, Parveen Babi and Neetu Singh in the lead roles. So the story goes like this.
On the 15th of August, a chauffeur named Kishan Lal, played by Pran, is released from prison after taking the blame of a fatal hit-and-run accident committed by his employer Robert, played by Jeevan, who is also a crime boss. Despite Robert's assurance that Kishan Lal's family welfare will be looked after, Kishan Lal discovers that Robert did nothing for his family. He comes home to three starving sons and his wife Bharti, played by Nirupa Roy. Kishan Lal seeks help from Robert, who instead humiliates him and orders his henchmen to kill him. Kishan Lal escapes in one of Robert's cars loaded with smuggled gold as he was chased by Robert's henchmen. Kishan Lal returns home to find his sons abandoned by his wife, who had left a suicide note. He takes his sons and leaves them at the foot of a Mahatma Gandhi statue in a public park while he drives off to draw the henchmen away. In an inflamed car crash, Kishan Lal is presumed dead by the henchmen, but Kishan Lal survives. Each of these three sons, who have separated from the statue and each other, are found and adopted by Hindu policemen, a Muslim tailor, and a Christian priest, respectively. Bharti, who attempts suicide, is instead struck by a fallen branch and loses eyesight. 22 years later, the eldest son is now a policeman named Amar Khanna, that is played by Vinod Khanna. The middle born is a licensed liquor dealer named Anthony Gonzalez, played by Amitabh Bachchan, and the youngest is a Qawwali singer named Akbar Allahabadi, played by Rishi Kapoor. Rishi Kapoor, who falls in love with a young doctor named Salma Ali, played by Neetu Singh. Akbar is initially viewed scornfully by Salma's father, Tayyab Ali. Amar falls in love with one-time crook named Lakshmi, played by Shabana Azmi, taking her and her grandmother to his home after arresting his abusive stepmother. And finally, Anthony. Anthony falls in love with Jenny, played by Parveen Babi, an Anglo-Indian who has returned from London after meeting her at a church sermon. The three meet when they donate blood for a hit-and-run victim, unaware that they are related to the recipient Bharti, who now sells flowers, is their mother. In the meantime, Kishan Lal creates his own crime syndicate from the smuggled gold, destroying Robert's business and forced Robert to work for him. Bharti miraculously gains her eyesight at a festival in honor of Sai Baba hosted by Akbar. Bharti recognizes him as her youngest son Raju. That's because his adoptive father recognizes Bharti as the woman he rescued from the falling branch years ago. On the other hand, Kishan Lal is double-crossed by one of his bodyguards, who betrays Jenny to Robert in exchange for her hand in marriage. Jenny is kidnapped, resulting in Anthony's adoptive father's death by Robert.
उसके बाद क्या था? वेल सबको पता है, मैं आपको अंजाम नहीं बताऊंगा। यू हैव टू गो वॉच दिस फिल्म टू नो द क्लाइमैक्स। तो चलिए आप जानते हैं कुछ मजेदार बातें इस फिल्म के बारे में। डायरेक्टर मनमोहन देसाई डिड नॉट वांट एनी हीरोइन ऑपोजिट विनोद खन्ना, क्योंकि उनका जो रोल था दैट वाज क्वाइट सीरियस एंड हैविंग एनी लीडिंग लेडी वुड नॉट सूट द रोल. But Vinod Khanna kept insisting Desai to sign Shabana Azmi for the role. So finally Desai gave in and signed Shabana Azmi, creating a role for her in the movie. So all thanks to Vinod Khanna, because of him Shabana Azmi could be a part of this amazing film. According to the director Manmohan Desai, the character Anthony Gonzalez, played by Amitabh Bachchan, was actually based on a real person from his youth. Another very interesting thing in the movie is the introduction scene of Rishi Kapoor and Neetu Singh. जी हाँ, मैं उसी सीन के बारे में बात कर रहा हूँ जहाँ पे अकबर जाता है डॉक्टर सलमा के पास चेकअप के लिए एंड ही रेफर्स डॉक्टर सलमा एज नीतू. तो आपको क्या लगता है, ये इंटेंशनली था या बाय मिस्टेक था? क्योंकि वो सीन लास्ट में करेक्ट नहीं किया गया. मुझे तो लगता है वो इंटेंशनली. So go watch this film and do let me know how do you like it in the comment section down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, keep loving, keep supporting. Do give it a thumbs up if you like it, share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel. याद आया आज मैं जिस फिल्म के बारे में आपसे बात करने वाला हूँ. डायरेक्टर मनमोहन देसाई डिड नॉट वांट एनी हीरोइन. ये इंटेंशनली था या बाय मिस्टेक था? मुझे तो लगता है ये इंटेंशनली था क्योंकि ये सीन लास्ट में वैसे का वैसे ही रहा.